We're going to head back to Shadow Fox's satellite dish and add some more code to it. Did you know that the same sprite can broadcast a message and receive its own message? I want the broadcast to trigger Shadow Fox's dish to start transmitting after the satellite in space has turned toward the dish. So when I receive the message, I'll switch the costume to Shadow Fox's dish transmit to show the satellite sending the message. Then I'll play sound, data transmission, until done. However, I don't want this code to run until after the satellite in space turns and is ready to receive. So I'm going to delay this by 3 seconds. Let's try it. Okay, now that the sound is finished playing, we want to switch the satellite back to Shadow Fox dish inactive to turn off the red beam. And finally turn the dish back to its original position. Let's test it out to see how it works.